If your 2018 CRV is sitting dead in the driveway, don't call a tow truck just yet. Nearly half of all modern starting issues are traced back to a battery that can no longer hold a load. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find the exact point of failure. Before grabbing tools, verify the basics like your key fob battery and the gear selector position. The 2018 CRV is known for having a relatively small battery that struggles with modern electronics. If the battery tests fine, the starter motor or its relay are the next most likely suspects. If a jump start gets you moving, your battery is the culprit. If not, the issue is mechanical. Most fixes for this model are affordable, especially if it's just a battery or a simple fuse. Sometimes the car's computer just needs a reboot. Try a hard reset by disconnecting the battery. Keep these 3 tools in your trunk to handle 90% of starting problems on the road. Remember that modern electronics are very sensitive to voltage drops, so keep that battery fresh. Check your battery first and you'll likely be back on the road in minutes. See you next time.